Welcome to Quiltster Tutorials. In this video, you will learn how to upgrade your subscription from a monthly subscription to an annual subscription. To begin, log in and visit your account page. On the account page, click Change Plan. Select the new plan, so in this case it would be the annual plan, so you would click Select Annual. At this point, you have an opportunity to enter a coupon code if you have one. Your payment method will be pre-selected with your default credit card. Make sure you read the terms and conditions about the recurring billing. Check the little box and say Start My Subscription. And that's it. That's all you have to do. You're all ready to go. As you can see under Current Subscription, your current subscription still says $9.99 per month. That is because the annual plan will kick in at the end of your current billing cycle. And you can see that reflected in the sentence right underneath that where it says, your subscription will change to annual premium on, and it will give you the date, for $99 and will auto-renew the following year. So you have all of the information there. When that day arrives, your new annual plan will be charged for the first time. And that is how you upgrade from a monthly subscription to an annual subscription. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.